Okay, this number is separated into groups of 3, okay, which is what we want to do, because the first group of 3 on the right here represent our hundreds, tens, units. Then we've got our thousands here, and then of course we've got our millions. Okay, now if you look here, we've only got this number of millions. Okay, so we literally say 4. Okay, and then of course the word million. Okay, so when you have a gap, right, that first gap there, you need to sort of use that word million. Yeah, some people like to write a comma there. Okay, so we say 4 million, and then we read that number then as a 3-digit number, so that's like 700, isn't it? When you read that, 700. But don't forget, this represents the thousands. Okay, so 4,700,000. Okay, and then how many hundreds, tens, and units? Well, we haven't got any. Okay, so we don't need to mention anything because there's no hundreds, no tens, units. So you literally say 4,700,000. Okay, in B, write the value of 3 in the number 46,378. Well, you appreciate this is the hundreds, tens, units. That's the units, that's the tens, that's the hundreds. Yeah, so the 3 represents 300. So we can write it in words like this. Okay, or we can literally write it in figures if you want. Okay, and then it says a house costs £120,650. Write this amount in figures. So because we're talking about money here, pounds, we'll put the pound symbol first. Okay, then let's read it. 120. So let's write 120. Remember, our digits are groups of 3. So we've got there 120 written there. So when you see the word thousand, then let's place a comma. Okay, or you can have a little gap. 650. So there you go. You got your hundreds, tens, units. Then there's your group of 3 digits there. 650. So £120,650.